So, well, good morning to all. So, this is Kumar from SNS College of Technology and Department of Computer Science Engineering. So, now I'm going to tell about what are the physical components in user interface design. So, how to interact with physical components in user interface design. Okay. So, the first thing, the physical component with the user interface design means we have lot of things in the current generation. So we just like that phone smartphones and smartwatch laptop with touchpad and ATM machines, and then different kind of automatic gloves. So these kind of automatic helmets, so these are the different components in UI design. So the first thing is, so the interaction with the physical component in UI design. So the user interface design, the interaction with the physical components refers to the interaction to tangible or physical tactile design or haptic feedback. So incorporating physical components can enhance the user experience by providing a more interactive and engaging interface. So here are some examples and consideration for integrating physical components in UI design. So first one, haptic feedback. So they utilize haptic feedback to simulate the sense of touch. For example, smartphone. So it might be vibrate subtly when a button is pressed or providing confirmation to the user. So this is the communication between user and communication between the system, user and system. So that is the haptic feedback. So the haptic feedback is totally called as a touch feedback. Okay. So next one, buttons and switches. So, mimic physical buttons or switches in the user interaction. This can involve incorporating visual representation of physical buttons, so slides or toggles that users can interact with using touch gestures. For example, we are using any kind of hardware, means we will have to touch the buttons and then response from the systems, right? Sorry. So next one, scroll wheels and knobs. So implement scroll wheels or knobs that users can manipulate to control certain parameters. So this is particularly useful in applications where precise adjustment are needed, such as an image editing or audio mixing apps. So these kind of user interfaces will going to execute the interactions, so with the real time designs. Okay. So next one, gestures and motion detection. So these kind of user interfaces leverage motion sensors will device to enable gesture based interactions. For instance, tilting a device could trigger a specific action, creating a more dynamic and interactive experiences. So these gesture will give the interacted with the system. So the system will be replied to the on or off statement. For example, smartphones. So next one, touch and pressure sensitivity. So design interfaces that respond to varying levels of touch or pressure. So this can be useful in applications like digital drawing or note taking, where different levels of pressures can produce different strokes or effect. For example, in a smartphone we are using a smart unlock. For example, we are going to insert a finger in a fingerprint unlock. So this is the best example for touch and pressure sensitivity, because we have to give, we are going to touch the finger place. So the smartphone will uh, activated and give the output of pressure and touch. Based on pressure and touch, the phone is unlocked, right? So next one, augmented reality and elements. So explore the use of augmented reality to overlay so digital information on the typical physical world. So user can interact with both the physical and as well as the digital elements seamlessly. So it will creating the mixed reality experience also. So the mixed realities means augmented reality as well as virtual reality. So both can mix it and then give this mixed reality experience. So customized hardware interactions. So consider designing UIs that can interact with external physical devices or accessories. For example, a fitness app could sync with a wearable device to display real-time health data. It not only the behavioral data, it will as well use in a smart watch. In a smartwatch, the smartwatch will calculate the number of steps or we are stepped in a day, and also the calculate the heartbeats and the temperature of the bodies. So these kind of hardware interactions with the human is also a user interaction design, correct. So next one, physical simulation. So they use physics based interaction to mimic real world behaviors. For example, a drag and drop, the interaction could include realistic physics, providing users with a more natural and immersive experiences. And next one, tangible interfaces. So it means they explore tangible user interfaces that involve physical object interacting with the digital content. This could include interactive tabletops or touch sensitive surfaces that respond to physical object placed on them. Okay. So last one, and the branding and aesthetic. So incorporate physical metaphors or textures in the UI design to evoke a sense of familiarity or association with real world objects. So this can enhance the overall aesthetic, facial and user engagement. So these are the different kind of physical component in digital components interact with the UX design. Okay, thank you.